Feel free to chime in. But let's get it done. We're running out of time. All right. You still there? Yeah. Hi, welcome back. It is now day 3 of the iris removal project, although actually we last left off about 10 days ago. We had a really long, extended, very hot heat wave. So you can see we just took some preventative measures. We put some cardboard around the roots, put some irrigation to keep it alive. It's getting a little bit dry, but it's hanging in there. It's got some new shoots coming up. So today's the day. The greenhouse is coming in, so we have to get it out today. We don't have any time left. So it's come down to crunch time. Now I'm going to try to use a long board or something to pry it out, and I've laid out some boards that are also kind of along the border of where the greenhouse is going to go. It's going to be coming right here where I stand. This will be the front of it with the entrance here, I think. And then you can see where this board is kind of define the border. So I'm hoping to use one of those. I can pry the thing out of there and get it flipped up. And then we can just move it anywhere and, you know, break it apart and put it into containers. All right, so that's the task for today. Again, the greenhouse is on its way. As we speak, it's being dismantled and it'll be coming over later today. So let's get started.
Anything. Might be a hoary job. Careful.
That's what I was thinking. Hoary might be the idea.
Or even that, you know, that hand.
There we go.
Pull the one in the middle to hold it up. This one. Sorry, it's heavy for me. Got it.
Go ahead.
Well, I can't do it there. It would have to be. I mean.
There's some roots in that.
Yeah. We'd have to have blaze.
Oh, there you go. That'll work.
Hedge trimmer.
That guy cut through this.
You don't think it's going to cut through that?
No. Stir it, please.
Yeah. Knocked loose.
That was when I thought it.
Yeah.
Let me see, I'm almost there. Let me go ahead and get this.
Like I said,
Makes
there's
it-
not that much dirt on
There
it.
we go.
Once the dirt is gone.
Makes this really satisfying ripping noise.
Yeah.
That ain't bad. This is about. We got the iris up. We flipped over. We can break it into about 10 of these parts. They weigh about 5 or 10 pounds. I'll get this into a bucket of water or something. We'll go from there. But mission accomplished for today. Now I'm going to quickly try and fill this hole and spray some water on the roots here to keep it just until we have time to get it broken up. All right, let's go. If you're still watching, we did it. We did it. Yay, success. Well, thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventures. If you like this episode, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that bell. For Ponderosa Garden Adventures, we'll see you next time.